Hey viewers, this is Chase, and this is my first Java Basics tutorial. And what we're going to go over this, in this tutorial we're just going to do setup. We're not really going to code, but it should be a quick tutorial. And just real quick, in case you have no idea what Java is, it's basically just a language you can write in that's English for the most part. And then that way you don't have to write in binary, and the computer just converts Java into binary, kind of. And so that's what Java is, and the point of all that is just to write applications. So if you wanted to create an application, Java is one of the programming languages you could do that in. Now that we've gone over that, we can start actually setting up. So the first thing you're going to need is the Java Development Kit. If you Google JDK and then hit the first link, you can just click this right here where it says JDK and click it there. And once you've done that, you'll end up having a little thing. You'll end up having a little thing in your program files. Java. See, and here's JDK. Program files, Java. And, sorry, brain dead. If you go to Computer Properties, in later operating systems, this will come up. On XP, you'll just get this. Go away. You'll just get this right here. And, basically what we need to do is we need to create a path that basically just says where JDK is. And I already have one, but if you don't have one, then type path as the variable name, and then for the variable value you need to say where JDK is. So it needs to be to the bin, so you can just go inside the bin and push copy, or copy. I'm going to come in here and paste it, and we just push OK. I've already got one though, so I'm not going to. And once you've done that, just push OK. Oops. OK works. And then you're done. But JDK, you could just right now, you could start programming with anything like Notepad here. You could be like public, class, main, group, and then just start coding. But that's a pain in the grass. And basically Eclipse kicks butt. And so we're going to get Eclipse. And I'd actually really suggest it because there's so many things that you can that use Eclipse, and it's just a good thing to have. And then it'll complete code for you and stuff, so if you're not sure what the name of something is, you don't have to remember it as well, because it'll help you out. Anyway, point is, just click the download. So I Googled Eclipse. I went to downloads, but this one works too. You can just go here and then downloads, and then click the right one for your operating system. And then once you do that, you'll just get like a zipped file which you can extract. Do I have a zip file somewhere for you? Well, yeah, just right click it and then there'll be like extract somewhere. And once you've done that, then you can go into it and you'll find something. Probably will look something like that, and it's going to say eclipse.exe, and just run it. If you run it, something like this will come up, and just put a path for where you want it. So if you want, you could just do just your plain desktop or something, but I put mine inside a specific folder here. And once you've done that, just push OK, it'll load, and that's pretty much all you need to know. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do some actual coding. We're going to learn about some basic coding. We're going to teach you how to do the Hello World program, and just show you comments. So, should be a pretty quick tutorial. Yeah, so I'll see you next time.